Welcome back to M&N, and this is Market Report. First off, Bitcoin stayed bearish at the end of the day, with the day opening at 80,504 and closing at 79,313, with a total loss of 1.47%, reaching a high of 81,325 and a low of 78,760 throughout the day. Next, moving on to other cryptocurrencies, Ethereum also stayed bearish at the end of the day, with the day opening at 2,274 and closing at 2,258, with a total loss of 0.71%, reaching a high of 2,323 and a low of 2,234 throughout the day. Solana opened the day at 94.30 and closed the day at 91.18, with a total loss of 3.30%, reaching a high of 96.00 and a low of 90.29. XRP also stayed bearish, opening the day at 1.436 and closing at 1.427, with a total loss of 0.66%, reaching a high of 1.469 and a low of 1.411. Moving on to metals, gold stayed bearish, opening at 4,711 and losing a total of 0.49% to close the day at 4,688, reaching a high of 4,719 and a low of 4,666. Moving on to silver, which opened at 87.23 and gaining 0.61% to close the day at 87.77, reaching a high of 89.42 and a low of 85.70, staying bullish. Looking at stocks, the S&P 500 stayed bullish, closing at 7,444.25, with a gain of 43.29. Dow Jones stayed bearish, closing at 49,693.20, with a loss of 67.36. Thank you for tuning in to M&N, and this was Market Report.